Hey YouTube, it's Andrew the Bearded Giant. I'm here with my girlfriend Amy, and today I'm going to make a simple bracket out of some scrap metal to hang a ladder very similar to this in Amy's garage. Let's make a bracket. So for Amy's ladder bracket, I just have a scrap piece of angle iron and this random flat bar. I cleaned it up with a sander and a file, and I'm thinking I'll just drill a hole here and a here for mounting screws, and then tack weld this on with a little lip, and it'll hold the ladder just fine. Too much oil. So just a real simple tack job on the back. It's not exactly symmetrical, but it's close enough. And the idea is the lip of the ladder will sit over the face of this. Bracket, couple holes. Ladder will sit up in here, just like that. Put against the wall. That's it. Real simple project made out of scrap. I'll probably install it Saturday. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Peace out.